This is a transparent sticker and this is also a transparent sticker, but there is a huge difference between the two, and you will figure out the difference the moment I paste these two stickers out here. And you guessed correct. The sticker on top is much more vibrant than the sticker beneath. Let's now run one more experiment. Let's paste these stickers on a white colored surface. And now you will see that both these stickers look pretty similar. So what exactly is the difference? Why do these stickers perform differently against a dark colored surface? And why do they look so much similar when pasted on a white background? The secret is revealed the moment you turn these two stickers around, and you will see that on my left hand, the sticker which has got a color print on the front also has this white opaque layer beneath it on the back. And on my right hand, you will see that this sticker does have a color print on the front, but it does not have any kind of white layer beneath. All printing inks are transparent in nature. So along with this transparent sticker sheet, these inks are also transparent, and the black colored background shines through this transparent area to reduce the contrast, and it makes our text very difficult to read. Now, it doesn't make much of a difference when you use a transparent sticker on a light colored background like the pant that I'm wearing, or if you paste the sticker on a white Formica. This is because the white laminate provides the requisite contrast to make our text stand out, even though it is transparent. But when you need to paste a transparent sticker on a dark colored background, you need to also add in this white opaque layer on the reverse side of the artwork, which blocks the background from showing through and which ensures that our design, our fonts, our logos look as vibrant as they were originally intended to be. Not every sticker vendor provides a white ink solution. So if you have a specific requirement for white inks in your stickers and labels, make sure that you clear it up with him before you go ahead with the order. And for more such solutions on printing and signages, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.